Hi, welcome to this exciting video. If you'd like to support us, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Canada, the second largest country in the world, is famous for its stunning nature, diverse culture, and peaceful lifestyle. It's a place where adventure meets exceptional quality of life. Canada's highlights, breathtaking nature, from Niagara Falls and the Rocky Mountains to the Northern Lights. Cultural diversity, a society enriched by people from all over the globe, with English and French as its official languages. Quality of life, free healthcare, excellent education, and top-notch safety. Unique wildlife, home to polar bears, moose, and other fascinating species. Whether you're seeking untouched nature, rich culture, or a better life, Canada is a destination worth exploring.